Hello everyone, I'm Nagraj, your Perf Test Coach.
Welcome to this lecture. Before we learn how to do performance testing for microservices, let us learn the differences between monolithic and microservice based architectures of building web applications. If you look at this three-tier monolithic web application architecture, we have a web server, application server, and a database. If you look at the Tomcat application server, the storefront web app module, the account service module, inventory service module, and shipping service module all are packaged into a single WAR file and are deployed as a single application. And also, all these modules are using same database. We have been traditionally developing web applications in this fashion, but there are few disadvantages of this monolithic architectural style of building web applications. Say for example, the inventory service module is slowing down at high load, but all other modules are processing the transactions quick enough. If you wish to scale up only the inventory service module without scaling up other modules, you cannot do this as all the modules are tightly coupled and are deployed as a single application. So the only option you have is to scale up the whole application even though other modules are not slowing down. As you are scaling the whole application, you are wasting a lot of IT resources like CPU and memory. And the second disadvantage is that even though you make a code change to one of the modules, you still need to do regression testing for whole application. So the testing cycles could be lengthy, and because of which the change requests take too long to get approvals, which eventually will cause delays in bringing new features into the market. And the third disadvantage is that we will have limited choices of technology when building applications. Say for example, you need to use one programming language to build all the modules. You cannot use Java to build account service and Node.js to build shipping service. And also, as all the modules are using same database, we need to use the type of database that suits all the modules. So to summarize the disadvantages of monolithic web applications, we will have poor scalability and resource utilization, slow time to market when releasing new features, limited choices of technology. So to solve all these problems, microservice architectural style of building web applications was introduced. So what are microservices? Microservice architecture is a method of developing software applications as a suite of independently deployable, small, modular services in which each service runs as a unique process and communicates through a well-defined, lightweight mechanism to serve a business goal. So, instead of building all the features or modules as a single application, they are built as a suite of independently deployable and modular services which are loosely coupled. So, if we need to re-architect this monolithic application and convert it into microservice based architecture, this is how it will look. The storefront web app module, the account service module, inventory service module, and shipping service module all are developed and deployed separately as individual applications or also called as microservices. All these microservices are also having their own databases. The name says microservice because they have limited features in them and serve a specific business purpose. Now, if the inventory service is slowing down, then you can scale up only that particular service, which improves the scalability and resource utilization. You can also use Java to build one module and Node.js or Python to build some other modules. If you make change to any one of the module, then you need to do regression testing only to that particular module, which speeds up the testing and you can release new features into market quickly. The code base of microservice will not be that huge as they are built with limited features which can serve a specific business purpose. Because of this, microservice can start up very quick. Here is the summary of advantages of microservices. Services can be developed, tested, deployed and modified independently, and hence new products can come to market very quick. Choice to choose any technology, for example Java, Node.js, etc. Quick startup times because of the size of the code base. Less downtime to apply new change requests as the services are loosely coupled. Scalability and effective resource utilizations. Now let us discuss few disadvantages of microservice architecture. Expensive remote calls instead of in-process calls. In case of monolithic application, all these modules were deployed as a single application. So when these modules need to communicate with each other, they need to make a in-process call which is usually quick and uses less IT resources. But in this case, when storefront web app need to communicate with account service, it need to make a remote API call which could be expensive and will consume more IT resources. Increased complexity in managing the microservices. As the number of microservices increases, Managing these microservices becomes challenging. Few of these management issues can be solved using technologies like Docker and Kubernetes, using which we can automate the deployment and orchestration of microservices. Also, testing could become challenging if we do not build proper automated testing frameworks. End-to-end performance testing becomes very challenging. As a performance engineer, if you decide to do performance testing with all the microservices connected, then it will be a nightmare. When softwares are built using agile frameworks, there will be many small development teams who might own one or two microservices. Coordinating with all these development teams is very difficult, and isolating performance issues and fixing also takes a lot of time. But don't worry about this. There is a better approach to do performance testing of microservices, and we will discuss about this in next lecture. That's all for this lecture. Hope you understood the key differences between monolithic and microservice based architectures. See you in next lecture. I am Nagraj, your Perf Test Coach.